and it's time for the taste test. Alright, hey guys, what's up? It's the loser here, and it's the second last day of the year. I woke up alone, and now I am alone. I tried to, text, my friends and be like, hey, want to have lunch together? Because, I'm all alone and I'm free. But apparently they're all friggin' busy, so I have to eat lunch and breakfast on my own, and, my family left me some leftover microwaved pizza, but, that's shite. So I decided to not leave the house and go out and buy food and take away. Instead, I'm gonna make food right here at home so that I can stay here for the entire day, because fuck that. I need to do revision and do homework and make YouTube videos, and I'm all busy and stuffs. So I have an idea on what to make. Now I got some eggs, and I found some turkey, and turkey slices, and I also found some cheese. So I decided to just mix them all up and see what the end result is, because I'm a huge loser. Leave me alone. Alright, so originally I planned to do scrambled eggs only, so I already whipped myself some eggs. I'll beat myself some eggs. And then I found the butter. I can't find any oil, so this the butter. Found some turkey here and found some cheese here. So I was like, hey, I can actually make some weird shit out of this. Alright, so because I can't find any oil, so I guess I have to use butter instead. So I'm gonna cut myself a good knob of butter. And I'm gonna throw it in the pan. I got myself a slice of cheese right here, which I'm going to cut into pieces. I still have no idea what am I supposed to be making right now. I guess I'm making scrambled eggs with like cheese and turkey all over it. Sort of a melted cheese. I don't know, maybe it's a cool idea. Maybe it's a good idea, maybe it's a terrible idea, I really don't know. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do it the right way. I'm gonna tear it up, okay? I'm gonna tear it up to little pieces so that I can throw into the pan. Next on the agenda, we got ourselves some turkey, and I'm gonna get 2 slices of turkey because I have 2 slices of cheese. Equality is everything. So I'm gonna tear this up as well. I tear it up the natural way, the way it's supposed to be torn. Okay, now the fun really begins. Alright, I'm heating the pan. Now, let's start off with a knob of butter. I have 2 hands, okay. Shoot. Alright. It's on my knife. Now it's on the pan. Now it's around the pan. And it's melting. It is melting. Alright. I gotta put you right here in case I need more butter. And then... okay. And then I gotta do this. Okay, it's pretty well beaten right now. Alright, gotta put you right here. And then... alright, here is my gigantic chopsticks. Okay, pretty nice. I should put it on low heat though. It shouldn't be this high. Yeah, shouldn't be this high. Now it's all oiled up. Now it's time for the egg. Okay, this is actually not much. I thought it's a lot, but it actually isn't. Alright. And let's put it on high heat instead. Medium heat. And let's get to the mixing. And it's already turning solid. This is so fast. Why is it so fast? Why is it so fast? I realized that a pair of chopsticks won't work, so I'm using a spoon instead. Yeah, that's what I thought. A spoon. Alright, but I gotta be more gentle with this stuff. Alright, and as it's all... Okay, and as it's cooking, I'm gonna add the salt and pepper. And again, right now I have one hand, so I gotta do this. Alright, salt and pepper is added. Now I kinda need a little more butter just to, you know, get things cooking. So yep. Let me get butter. Alright, here we go. 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 Boom. Big knob of butter, small knob, medium knob. Alright. And here we go! Alright, and now it's time for the taste test. So the, I don't even know what am I calling this. The cheese, turkey, egg scrambled eggs disaster. Whatever it is. It actually tastes pretty good. Maybe it's just me, though. I mean, it doesn't look good, but... Of course, what can go wrong with cheese and eggs together? I mean, and turkey.